Next problem says Renee's decorating service recommends putting a border around the top of the four walls in a dining room. It tells us that the dining room that is 3 feet longer than it is wide. Well, let's just draw that before I even finish reading the problem. So I've got a dining room shaped like a rectangle, 3 feet longer than it is wide. Do I know how wide it is? The answer is no, I don't. So just use W for width. Do I know how long it is? And I don't, but I know how long it is in relation to the width. It is 3 feet longer than the width. Find the dimensions of the room if the total length of the border is 54 feet. Okay, so the total length of the border that goes all the way around is the perimeter. So the perimeter is 54 feet. That's found by taking W plus 3 plus another W plus another W plus 3. Just adding the four sides together. So I combine my like terms. I have 4W plus 6. I'm going to subtract my 6, giving me 48 equals 4W divided by 4. We get W equals 12. I want the dimensions of the room. Okay, this over here becomes 12. If that's 12, 12 plus 3 is 15. So the dimensions of the room are 12 feet by 15 feet. The final problem of the notes is another mixture type problem, an investment problem. It says Reggie invests $12,000, part of it at 7%, part of it at 8.5%. How much did he invest at each rate if his total interest earned is $900? Okay, so he takes his $12,000 and he splits it up. He puts some of it at 7% and some of it at 8.5%. Okay, so how much did he put where? That we don't know. So let's say he put X amount here. And if he only had $12,000 only, if he had $12,000 to start and he put X of it here, then he has $12,000 minus X left over to put here in this one. Okay, so mixture problem. We're combining these two amounts to equal his interest, which was $900. Okay, there's kind of my visual, my setup of the problem. So now an equation to solve it. We have 7%, which is not 0.7. Let's start over. 0.07 x plus 0.085 times its amount, 12,000 minus x equals 900. So I'm going to distribute that 0.085. I get 0.07x plus 1020 minus 0.085x is 900. I'm going to combine my like terms. So I get negative 0.015x equals, I'm going to move this over here, negative 120. And I'm going to divide by that negative 0.015. I get x equals 8,000. Okay, so how much did he invest at each rate? The x that I just solved for belongs to the 7%. So he invested $8,000 at 7%. He only had 12, so if he put 8 here, he had $4,000 at 8.5%.